I'm so excited to introduce you to our Coefficient AI web dashboards, now available for Excel. Anyone can build BI quality, interactive, dynamic dashboards using simple AI prompts. And once you have an output like this, you can easily edit it. I can drag and drop to move things around. I can also look over here and use the edit and chat function. Other viewers can even use the Explain AI to be able to understand how the calculations were made and exactly where the data is coming from. Just as an example here, you can have lots of these different charts and can even make them fully customizable. For instance, I can apply drill downs. I can even have a link back to my Salesforce opportunity for easy access. Not only do we have charts, but we do have other variations, like AI images and tables as well. So how do you get started? You can start from an Excel workbook with one or more datasets. Here is my example. I've got datasets here that are coefficient powered and manual CSVs too. I can go to web dashboards and be either very specific or generic with my prompt. As an example, I can say, build me a sales performance dashboard. It's only going to take a couple minutes for your dashboard to be ready. And here's our dashboard. Again, we can go to drag and drop and edit things as well in chat. Once you're happy with your dashboard, you can easily share this with others outside of your organization. And that's it. Get started with your first AI web dashboard today.